Hi guys, so this is just a quick update on how the Doggy Dooley is performing. It's been about a month since I installed that new design. If you haven't seen my first video, I suggest you take a look at it. It shows you how I built it. It's essentially the same design as a Doggy Dooley, but in a DIY style. So far, I gotta say it is working pretty well. It's if you open it, it is what it is. So there's a hole where the water falls in and goes through the rocks and all that and kind of disappears into the earth. So a lot of people are probably curious, does it smell? Well, you got to remember what you're putting in there, right? So yeah, it has like a porta potty smell. It's not completely odorless, at least not for me. So essentially the way it works is you get your poop, you put it in there, and then every so often I'll add some water to it. Not too much, maybe about a gallon or so. The water goes in through the overflow, and then it goes down into the down to the rocks below. So far it's been working pretty well. I mean, it's getting the job done, and I'm pretty happy with it at this point. Every about once a week, I do add some more of the powder, the enzymes and whatnot that help digest the poop. And pretty much that's all there is to it. I mean, there's no real science behind it. So yeah. Oh, and I started using this lid on top just because it was easier, just to remove and put on and whatnot. Seems to stay put, keeps the odor out. So when you are adding water into it, just FYI, just churn things up. That's how you get the water going to the overflow and then filter out into the soil beneath. So yeah, expect a little bit of a, a little bit of a porta potty smell, but it dissipates very quickly. It doesn't stick around. And so yeah, so far it's been a month. I've been putting 2 dogs worth of poop about twice a day in here, and so far so good. All right, I'll let you guys know maybe in about 6 months or so, see if it's still working as good as it is now. All right, thanks. Bye.